Hello friends, this is Ernest. As promised, I said I was going to make a OSPF routing for multiple routers, and here it comes. We are going to set up OSPF which will help us to route traffic from one network to the other, and I have pre-configured the PC. um, so I've pre-configured the PC. You can see this is how you these are the IP addresses, the subnet masks, and the default gateway for each of them. So if you wanna practice, you can do that. This video is solely for training purposes. So without any waste of time, let's get started. This is my pre script that I've written down, just to make sure everything looks good before I begin. And I'll start with router 1. Router 1 has two interfaces, so let's configure those interfaces. Good, so that is done. Let's go to router 2 here. We have router 2 have three interfaces. Good. Router 3 have two interfaces. Okay, now we have set up the interfaces. They are up now. As you can see, those are the IP addresses. Yep, there you go. So now the next thing is we are going to configure the OSPF, and we have two networks, so it goes with adjacent network. So when you are on this router, the adjacent network is this and this directly connected, like that. If you come here, you have this network, this one and that one, in order to configure the OSPF. The same thing for each router. So let's begin with router 1. We have two networks there. So here I configure the network ID, router ID, and then the network and their wildcard marks. So let's come here. Let's go to router 2. Let's go to router 3. Okay, now that is done. So now we are going to test the network, or let's first of all check the different routes. Yep, the neighbors are discoverable. Let's say show IP route. So you can see this is the O is represent the OSPF, and this is the administrative distance 110. So it's telling us that this network send information via this network. You can see this one too. So let's check the next one. Yep, the neighbor is 3 and 1, so it's done. Show IP route. So you can see the directly connected interfaces, right? That's what we use as our configuration, rely on those. So the O represent the OSPF. Okay, let's ping from here. Let's ping wanna ping this computer, the PC1. Okay, let's try to ping from PC1 to PC4 if that will work, because it has to recognize, it has to discover the route one way or the other. Okay, that's done. If we go back now to PC4 and ping, probably it should take it. Good, you see it's pinging now. Now let's ping from here. Let's ping this network here. Yep, it's pinging, and from the this network in the middle, let's ping router 1. Let's ping PC1. That is working. Let's ping PC4. Let's ping, let me see which PC number is that. PC5. Good, it's working. So you see the OSPF was configured and we are able to route traffic. Let me correct this thing here. Good. So friends, we have come to the end of this tutorial. You can see that the routing protocol help us to establish the route, and we can now move traffic around from one of each network to the other without any problem. I hope you enjoy it. Like my video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much, and bye now.